Welcome to the course of IELTS Essentials. Let's start the course by asking what is IELTS, what is the history of IELTS, why to take IELTS, what is the validity period, and how the IELTS is organized, and the scope of this course. What is IELTS? IELTS is nothing but International English Language Testing System, and it is managed by British Council and IDP Australia. When we look at the history of IELTS, it is started in 1950 as an English proficiency test battery for the international students to enter education inside the UK. So in 1980, uh, the entire test is revised and restructured and named it as an ELTS, and subsequent ELTS version has been improved and it is further restructured, and it is restructured in 1989. In 1995, the actual IELTS begin into practice. That is IELTS what we are doing now, but every year it has been evolved. Why to take IELTS? There are several reasons to do the IELTS. Let us focus where it is accepted and which university accepted, and check for more info. And it is accepted in 135 plus countries and 9,000 plus organizations. Where it is accepted? It is accepted in the universities, schools, colleges and training organization, various government departments, and it is for the immigration authorities, professional and industry associations, and also for the multinational companies and employers. If you want to take a deeper look into the IELTS, that who accepts in detail, so you can go to this URL and search for the industry that you needed, or the educational unit that you needed. Actually, IELTS is organized based on the real world English. It is based on 4 abstract skills and no specific grammar system. That is, it is a real world English. So it is not an academic or a classroom type examination. Real language, real world English. So what is mean by that? So it is, when you go to the exam, you should not memorize everything. So it is the English that we are using every day. The IELTS examination focus on 4 different abstract skills, or 4 different components, that is reading, listening, speaking, writing. We'll talk more about this the further chapter. The scope of this course, and this course is approached in the practical manner, and so how the skill you need to develop, like reading, listening, writing, speaking, and all this core or major skill set, but underneath each abstract skills we have several skills to develop, but it may overlap each other. So we are going to look at detail each level of skills, so that when you are aware of the skills, so you can score more. And even reading, writing, listening and speaking, 50% of the section is not English language oriented. It's about the skill that you have already. Thank you.